everyone, I'm Schiller, and today we are in the Hawkstone Community, just about 30 minutes south of the Tampa Bay area. The builder behind me is Westbay, and this is the Pelican Floorplan. Let's check it out.
Hey, and my name is Schiller. McKenna and I both are the Schiller Group. We're your Tampa new home guides. I'm going to be behind the camera taking you through, but still talking to you. Let's get back to the home.
So welcome in. So again, this is the Pelican Floorplan by Westbay. We're looking at about 3,300 square feet and 5 bedrooms, so a really good amount of space.
Awesome.
Yeah, and kind of what to expect today from our tour. This is just going to be like an authentic walkthrough. We're just going to walk through with you, show you the space, give you, our real-time thoughts and views of this home. So
yeah, we're actually here showing clients property, and we just wanted to show you real-time as well. So
this front room here is staged as an office space, but since it has this closet, this is actually a bedroom as well. So this floor plan gives you 1 bedroom on the main floor, and then with like a really convenient bathroom here. So this could also be staged really nicely as your guest bedroom or like a mother-in-law type of suite space.
Yeah.
And then here you've got more of your formal living room. So it's really nice. These big open windows give you a lot of light. You could really decorate this beautifully. Keep it a nice focal point as you enter your home.
And coming into the main space. So you'll notice some different elevations in here. So the ceilings are a little bit higher and more of your, well, I guess we'll tell you a little bit about Westbay and the builder. Mm-hmm. So you're gonna get more options inside a home like this than you're gonna see in your average build inventory type builder, because Westbay is a semi-custom home builder. So all the things that you see in here, you can kind of pick your options. You can go to a design center, you can put it on your own specific lot and the whole 9 yards.
Yeah. One thing I really love too about model homes is they do a great job at kind of showing you a lot of what they have to offer in regards to design options. So a lot of times they'll have lots of upgraded cabinetry, lighting, just to give you, a good amount of things to choose from. One thing I really love about this space is how open it is. One thing we've talked about with Florida lots are there's so many water views. So look at this view. I mean, they have these retention ponds in, they have tons throughout Florida. Lots of neighborhoods have multiple ones of these. So if you're looking for water lots or something on water, this is a great option.
Now, rarely do we see something that's not an open floor plan. Like, you almost always have your living room off of the kitchen area. That's pretty common. Most people want that. Builders are building that. Mm-hmm. Did I miss a?
Yeah, so back there they have, so check out back here. This is awesome. As a mom, I feel like this space would be amazing for your kids. A nice homework space, craft space, and it's kind of hidden off of the sides. So you don't always have to keep it, nice and tidy. This is just a great kind of hideaway spot for them.
Oh, I thought that was the pantry. That would have been great.
The pantry's over on the other side, but take a look, it is huge. One thing in Florida sometimes we struggle with is storage space because we don't have any basements. The water level is too low. So a pantry this size would be wonderful, not just to store your pantry items, but other things as well that you just don't have room for. So this is a really spacious pantry.
Awesome.
Another thing I really like in
One
this
thing we
model,
won't show you directly through this door is the garage, but it's staged as the sales center.
Yeah.
So they've got their offices set up, but you would access your garage through those doors.
All right, now let's head upstairs and check that out. Okay, so coming up here is a lot of your bedroom space and also a really nice sized bonus room up here. So this is great if you have, older kids that want to hang out space or younger kids, you could use this as a playroom. So just a really nice and open space.
One thing we find our clients want often is 2 different living spaces, because one can get dirty super quick and it's nice to keep everything contained in one and have the other one staged for guests or if you're having people stay over.
Yeah.
So it's nice you've got multiple in here.
All right, now this is a really great size master bedroom for an upstairs space. I also love these window views. One thing that's nice with it having on the second floor is you really get those nice views out to the water.
That's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
The views out to the back are awesome.
Yeah, and one nice thing about this community specifically is there's a lot of springs and parks in this area of Florida. Brett actually quite likes mountain biking, and there's trails that are super close to Hawkstone. So you could even just hop on your bike and get there. So if you're kind of into some outdoorsy activities, there's great biking and hiking trails really close to this community.
Obviously, all of your master bath. You got the double vanity sink. You've got floor to ceiling tile, and a huge closet. Look where the light is in here.
Wow, yeah, look at that.
Whew.
This house has a good amount of storage space, so that's really nice.
Yeah, it lives really well. Now, one of the biggest factors for people moving to Hawkstone or this area is schools. It's known for some of the best schools in the area.
Mm-hmm.
You've got that really suburban lifestyle where you're away from the city. You've got a little bit more land. You've got access to all the parks and the trails. It's a great opportunity to live the outdoor lifestyle that Florida offers.
Yeah, definitely. And take a look. So this is your laundry room. There's no washing machines in here yet, but again, a really good size laundry room space. And I also love when the majority of your bedrooms are upstairs. It's so nice to have your laundry room upstairs because that's where you're living. That's where all of your clothes are going to be.
And 3 more bedrooms up here.
Yes.
So good size. That's a queen size bed. Vanities on both sides.
I think it's a double.
Double size.
But still, a queen would do great in here. I think these are all double beds. Let's take a look in here. Yeah, but you could easily fit a queen because there's a lot of room on these nightstands. So yeah, nice sized rooms. I like it. And then a really nice convenient bathroom here that the kids or whoever would share with the double sinks, which is really nice. I also love when they do bathrooms like this, how they separate like the commode and the shower from the sinks. So, you know, you can have double time. Someone can still be brushing their teeth, someone could be using the restroom. Mm-hmm. They don't take up the whole bathroom. And then here's our final bedroom, and looks like the lady of the house, she gets her own walk-in closet.
The princess.
The princess gets the walk-in, so that's always fun.
So if you're interested in a house like this, our number's on the screen. You can feel free to contact us. We're your on-site representatives. We're in these areas, we sell these areas, and would love to answer questions about different things that you're wondering about.
Yeah.
So.
Thanks.